So a little bit of a barricade here.
You can take
Yeah.
try to get that moving.
Five David 11.
Hey, Brandon.
Suspect's inside behind the door. I just unlocked it and he relocked it.
For about 90 minutes, officers attempted to communicate with Marol without success. They then approached the apartment with the intent of taking him into custody.
Let me know. I'm going to go on to your left side.
I'm ready when you are.
Ready.
He's got a couch up against it.
He's closing it.
He's got a couch. There's a couch right up against the door.
I'm going to break the window.
Good, yeah.
Joseph!
No, there's a couch.
Okay.
There's literally a couch like a half a foot in from the door.
Okay.
So when you were hitting the door, you were hitting it into the couch and it was coming back. Yeah. In fact, I'm gonna walk up and I'm gonna.
You think I can push it?
Actually, he might be pushing on it. Hey, Joseph, you need to back away from the door. It's Fresno Police Department. Back away from the door.
Can you get a body right here to watch that window for you?
Pushing on it. Back away from the door.
The Fresno Police Department, back away now. Dog out, dog out, dog out.
Nice. Back away from the door.
The Fresno Police Department, back away now.
Dog up. Dog up.
The phone inside the apartment now. I'm going to take that up and be directly to mine. Pick up that phone, it'll read directly to my police officer.
Door's opening. Here it comes. Here it comes. Stand by! Got boys. Move up! Move!
The two knives Marol was holding at the time of the shooting were approximately 8 inches in length. Both were recovered next to him.